Good morning to all of you. It is Friday, and what do we do every Friday? Prepping the pantry and emergency food. And this is an open collab. Anyone can join in on any Friday. You can put your video up anytime you want on Friday. We're all busy people, and it's hard to get together at the exact same moment every week when we have jobs, busy lives, maybe have doctor's appointments, grocery shopping, and lots of things to keep us busy. So anytime on Friday's fine. And here is one of my wonderful co-hostess, crazy but not dangerous. We've been friends for a little while now, and she has been joining in with this challenge every week, and she's an awesome cooking channel. If you're interested in some great cooking, go check her out. Some wonderful meals over there and some great inspirational ideas. And here's my second co-hostess, my little rural homestead. Oh my gosh, she is a wonderful channel. If you're into shopping, she does a lot of great shopping videos, and she does a lot of prepping and stocking that emergency food up for we don't know what's going to happen. And if she has so many great videos to watch, make sure you go over and check them out. Like I said, she does the prepping, the pantry, and keeps it nice and full. She does fairy gardens, sometimes with grandma, and she does some great cooking videos. So make sure you go over and check out her channel. It's full of inspiration and fairy gardens and some great shopping. Now let's go see what Grandma did this week on her shopping.
Well, this week we stocked up on a couple of things. I didn't really need toilet paper, but I'm trying to make sure we have plenty here just in case something goes wrong or I run short of money. The price keeps going up by leaps and bounds, but there's nothing you can do about it. We did get some more butter. We do have butter, but I want to keep stocked up on that. We are going to be cooking something with these Baby Bells, and I like to try to buy them at least once to 3 times a month. And we use a lot of sour cream also here, so I stocked up on some more of that. I was going to get a larger container of Little Caesars for the doggy, but it's went up in price. I think when our dog was alive like a year ago, it was $22. Now I think it's $30 or $31. For the same dog food, it's went up that much in a year. I got some more Dawn soap for we stay caught up on that. That price is going up too. And I got some Miracle Whip, and we also use mayonnaise. I also got some grapes, seedless ones for my husband. And we also eat a lot of rice, and this is my favorite rice, so I got another bag of that, and it went up about $1 also a bag. And I got 1 red onion, 1 lemon, and I got 2 cans of beef broth, Stater Brothers brand. I'm trying to buy store brands because they're cheaper. And the coconut milk by Stater Brothers is the best coconut milk I've ever bought, and I have quite a few of those, and I'm trying to stay stocked up and ahead on that also. I got 2 chicken broths for some more dishes to make with the rice, and I got a container of ground cumin. I'm going to make some Asian dishes this coming week, so I got some sliced water chestnuts. I do like them. I got some chopped olives. Maybe we'll use them in a couple weeks. And I got a couple cans of cream of celery soup, because you can make a lot of things with that also. And I got, that's my second can of beef broth, and I also got a can of fruit cocktail, and we'll be making something with that in a week or 2. Got my husband some fresh juice for him, and that's what we got so far. Now, sit down, I got some more to share. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned this or not, I don't know. And I got some of this also, some ginger and a lemon and 1 red onion. Don't know if I mentioned it or not. And I'm going to be using these for some Asian dishes, so get ready for some Asian cooking this week. I got some bananas because we usually buy them every week. I got some more little potatoes. I'm going to actually try to start growing some of these small potatoes. They're a little on the expensive side, but they're really good and yummy and just a perfect size for me and Grandpa to make a meal out of. And I got some spinach to use also, and some pine nuts for something a little different, and a cucumber, and a couple of avocados, and another package of those little potatoes. And like I said, I'm going to start growing some of my own. I have some grow bags already. And cilantro, a couple chilies, some more veggies. These are really, really good. And four apples for my husband, a couple tomatoes. I have tomatoes growing, but I just want to make sure I have enough for what I'm cooking. A couple packages of green onion and a cucumber. So we're doing pretty good on what we're going to be using for cooking this week. I got 4 chicken breasts, and that will make several meals for me and my husband. And I bought 1 garlic, and I bought some more onions. And this is what we bought for this week. Now you want to see what we spent? Just sit down and wait 1 second and I'll pull the bill out. Now these chickens, will be eating them for like at least 2 to 3 meals.
Well, this week we went shopping at Stater Brothers again. I think I may start shopping in a few other stores to see about the prices will be cheaper at other stores. But we do buy quite a few Stater Brothers brands that do bring us down sort of in budget. And as you can see, I did do some stocking up and got a few things ahead. Because that's important. That's what we have to do. To keep ourselves in budget if we can. I was pretty lucky that I did get this in budget this week. I spent $147.84. The total budget was supposed to be $150. So I felt pretty good. And we did get a few little bit off. I got a savings of $4.72. Not much, but it kept me in budget. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I bought this week. And thank you all for coming by, and seeing you again soon.